Hello again, students. This is Mr. Dowd, and this is an emergency video about finishing up your 3 assignments. Look here, I'm in the Google Classroom, and I have gone to the Classwork tab, and you can see I've done a little reorganization, and the assignment I'm talking about are the 3 assignments. Now, if you're watching this video, this is already past due, and I'm really emphasizing these assignments because these 3 assignments, America's First People, African Slaves Brought to America, European Exploration of the Americas, these 3 assignments have a writing component inside. I'm going to open up this one, and I am going to take a look, and you'll notice that right here, and this is the teacher view, yours looks a little different, right here is a blank document, and again, this is for the America's First People. Each of these 3 lessons has a written response. This is one of them. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to write me 3 to 4 sentences. And as you write these sentences, I want you to answer the following questions. Who were these people? Where did they come from? And most importantly, why did they come to America? This is the same basic questions I want you to cover in these 3 responses. So this is one of the responses, again, for America's First People. Who were these people? Where did they come from? Why did they come to America? If you can answer these 3 questions in a 3 to 4 sentence short paragraph, you will have done the job for this assignment. Now, for this assignment and for the European Exploration assignment, there is the same blank piece of paper. Please answer these same 3 questions. And on the 3rd assignment, the African Slaves Brought to America, it just looks a little different in that the written response is in the form of the race response. And you guys have seen this. If you've been at LaVenture, you've seen this. And you can put them right in the blanks here, or some people have written it down below. However you want to do it, you want to do these 3 responses. Now, I said this was an emergency video. What's the emergency? Well, they're past due. These 3 responses are past due, and the writing in these 3 responses are what you are going to use on this map assignment right here. The map assignment, why did 3 continent-based groups of people come to the Americas? This assignment is what we're going to share at conferences. And if you don't have the written pieces, you will not complete the assignment. Remember, this one's in Google Maps. It is the My Maps assignment. And the text in these 3 lessons here are what you are going to use for the text component of your map. You're going to insert pictures and text with those pictures. Here's where you get your text, right down here. So finish the 3 assignments so that you can finish this map assignment. That is what you've got to get done. And the clock is ticking. Not only are these past due in Skyward right now, but this is what you're going to share at conferences on the 18th of October. That's it. If you have any questions, be sure and ask me. Have a great day.